Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best running boards for 4Runner you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best running boards for 4Runner in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Iron Bison running boards. Iron Bison 4Runner running boards designed with 5-inch and 3.8-inch width step plates for easy use step in and out your vehicle. Made by heavy-duty carbon steel, the Pentagon main tube and 1.7-inch round tube provide strong protection for the side of the car. The surface with 360-degree E-coating and heavy texture powder coating finish for rust resistant, add a better off-road experience. Direct bolt-on installation. No drilling required, can be easily installed at home using common garage tools. All mounting hardware and instruction are included. These running boards only fit for 2010 to 2023 4Runner. Iron Bison specializes in high-quality products for SUVs and trucks in the North American market. Our professional design team works in concert with our state-of-the-art manufacturing center to ensure we deliver the finest bumpers, side armor, running boards and cargo racks for our customers. Our dedicated sales team will provide year-round service and will make every effort to make your experience satisfying. Our second best running boards for 4Runner is Kicks running boards. This patented design-exclusive design provides an extraordinary appearance for your vehicle and convenience for getting on or off the car with an extra step area and proper ground clearance. Easy 1-hour installation 100% bolt-on design, no drilling needed, can be easily installed at home using common garage tools. All mounting hardware and instruction are included. With top-grade steel, Kicks running boards can easily provide extra protection for the car side and safety protection for your family to get on or off. With seamless welding high-grade sturdy steel, powder-coated surface and slip-resistant design, features rust and slip resistance, which ensures a super long lifespan. This sidebar same with the rocker panels can provide extra protection for your car. Third pick in our list is Smanow running boards. The surface features a matte textured black powder coating for excellent rust and corrosion resistance which helps to prevent corrosion. Step pads have special non-slip tread for superior traction. Drop-down style, drop-off making it easier to enter and exit. Durable non-slip steps provide more protection. Looked clean yet aggressive. Maximum load more than 350 pounds. Easy access and exit the vehicle with extra protection and security on the side. The surface features a matte textured black powder coating for excellent rust and corrosion resistance. Heavy-duty material. The running boards is made of carbon steel. Direct bolt-on, no drilling. Easy to install. The step sitting 4.5-inch lower than the rocker, give an easier step up for kids and old people. The step platform is just wide enough for solid footing. Number 4 in our side is Tacx Sidewinder running boards. This OI quality made of 2 mm thickness heavy-duty carbon steel, process E-coating and fine texture powder coating for double rust resistant, and offer more than 500 pounds load capacity on each side. Pentagonal main tube and mold form step pads provide an extra protection for your vehicle, 4-inch drop and 5-inch width step pads which help you step in and out your vehicle much easier, provide you an excellent off-road experience. Direct bolt-on installation. All mounting hardware and installation instruction are included. The back end of side steps are marked with letters L or R, which help to identify the left bar or right bar. Sidewinder running boards compatible for trucks and off-road SUV sales on North America. It's born for off-road. Heavy-duty one-piece made running board body make it more utility and stronger. Mold form carbon steel step pads for high loading capacity. The strong body brings powerful side and bottom protection for off-road. Last in our best running boards for 4Runner list is Tiger Auto Rider running boards. This premium build seamless, end-to-end, full-body E-coating heavy textured powder finish provides superior dirt, water and rust protection while enabling the clean yet rugged look to these Nerf bars. Oval tube design. Distinctive oval tube design provides a wider 3.5-inch step pad surface than their single round tube counterparts for added stability. Easy installation. Easy bolt-on installation with no drilling required. Installation guide included. Made of triple layer powder coating finish stainless steel tube combined with durability and aggressive tough looking. Our unique patented drop step 3 design provide an accessible intermediate level between the threshold and the ground. Precision engineered heavy duty body construction can support up to 500 pounds weight capacity. Easy bolt-on installation, rocker panel mount. Package comes with all mounting hardware and DIY instructions. Running boards made with heavy duty carbon steel, which helps to prevent corrosion. Heavy duty material. Step pads have special non-slip tread for superior traction. Drop-down style, drop-off making it easier to enter and exit. Durable non-slip steps provide more protection. Looked clean yet aggressive.